fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here to share with you today my latest finds from the folks over at Fansells. And I've got a few kind of interesting things that I want to show you, and then one special kit. So I'm going to open this box first because I'm really curious. So this is supposed to be a little framed diamond painting, but I'm not sure. Sometimes it's not always clear when you order things how it's going to come, what it's going to look like, all that good stuff. So look at this cute little sloth and his baby. I thought this would be a cute like little nursery type picture, so that's why I got this one. Okay, so we've got our frame here, and I couldn't tell from the photo if it like came framed. I didn't think it did, but so we've got our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our drills. We've got our frame here that our little picture will fit in, which it looks like you'll have to trim down. So cut it along the dotted line. And it looks like there's still some space where the drills actually lay. So it should lay nicely in the frame. And then this is the, yeah, see, this is the little piece of acrylic that fits in front of it. So that fits pretty nicely inside the cut lines. So you have the frame and this, and then put that in it and put it in there to make it cute. So we'll see what that one looks like. So how many colors do I get? Let me get the drills open here. I think it said this was supposed to be 15 by 15. So let me measure. It is 15 by 15. Looking at our drills here, we get, oh, there's a big clear rhinestone in there, but clear. Then a light pink. This is more of an orange, I guess. These are more like a very pale yellow. And then we've got a yellow, a light green, a dark green, and a darker green. And then we've got two different shades of brown, a dark brown and a lighter brown. And then we've got two special drills because this is kind of what they call those bubble rounds. So we've got some slightly larger green round ones, and then we've got some large green round ones for the bubbles that go in the background. So that's 13 different colors of drills, which is actually quite a lot for as small as this is. But like I said, I thought this would be super cute to put in like a kid's room. How cute would that be to put in like a little nursery, sweet little baby sloth with its mama? Okay, so there's that one. This one is $6.50. I'll stick a link to it down below so you guys can check it out. And they have other ones besides this, but I thought the sloth was cute. And then I've got a little tray, because you can never have too many trays, right? And this one was intriguing to me. They actually have a lot of different colors. You can get this tray with this cute little butterfly on it. I got the pink version, but they also have white, blue, purple, and pink, I think were the different colors. It's like this little lid that you slide off. You get a little spoon and a brush. I don't really use those. You get the little butterfly here because it's got a spout, so that's what goes in the spout to keep your drills from coming out until you're ready to pour. So you can put the lid on them, and then you use this little thing to pull out. If you like the grids, you can have the grids in there and use it like that. You can see this is a larger size grid for multi-placing. You can flip it over and you can see here, these look like they'd be 2, 3, 4, so a little bit less than some of these, depending on how you want to multi-place, or you can just get rid of that and use this as is. It's got lines in the bottom and use it that way. I'm kind of intrigued by this. I think these would be a good size to fit into my little tower that I had. That was kind of for like ink pads or whatever, but I was using it for my tower. Let's see, it has to go in on this side. But it's cute, and I'm curious to see how it works. I don't know if I'll use the little grid thing in there. I've had other gridded trays that I didn't really like, but I love the butterfly on these, and they slide really nicely. They weren't that expensive. This was $2.25 for this one, and they have all different colors, like I said, so if you don't like the pink, you could get blue or white or purple or whatever you want to get. So I'm really curious. Oh, it goes in this way because it's got a little edge here to fit in there. So it's flush at the end. So there's that. And then the last thing I have is this cute little canvas. This one is stiff. This is one of the stiffer canvases. Like I'm used to getting the ones that are a little more I don't want to say flimsy. They're not as stiff. Standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our drills. It's the special drill kit, as you can see. Here's this cute little fox. Look at how adorable this is. Now this is 30 by 40, so let's measure. Because I wrote it down wrong. In my notes I had that this was a 30 by 30. So it's 25 by 35. So that's pretty standard, 5 extra centimeters, because they measure from the outside edges here instead of the edge of the actual painting, which is what I count because the drill field is what matters to me. It's nice and sticky. We've only got, oh no, we've got 2 schematics here, only 7 different drills. And it looks like only one of them is a special shape. So the number 7 is going to be larger. So let's look at the drills. So we've got yellow, we've got kind of a golden orange, we've got a light green, a green, kind of a dull orangish brown, clear, and then we've got these large round gold, which will be the middle of all the sunflowers. So I just thought this guy was cute. And this little guy was $4.43. Let me get the drills put away and I'll be right back. As always, I will stick links to all of these down below so you can check them out. The fox, the sloth frame, and also these little trays. And actually, I only got one because I was curious, but now that I've seen these trays, I might go back and get some more of them. I don't know if I'll get them all in the same color or if I'll try to get them in different colors. But I do think they're a nice size. They're not quite as tall as my cat proof that I use all the time, but having a little slot here, a little spout so that I can do that, and the lids here so that I could put them in my little tower and use them that way. And that's a lot less expensive at $2 and something a piece than trying to buy some of the other 3D printed ones that cost quite a bit more. I'll have to give these a try and see how long they last. Like, they're just plastic, so is that going to be more durable than the 3D printed or not? I'm not sure. So yeah, you may see one of these elsewhere. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.